As we finish our communication function with data storage, we encounter a powerful technique here. We're looking at entity communication patterns, communication result, timestamp, the assignment operator communication result. We're demonstrating using variable values as dictionary keys, enabling you to create dynamic data-driven storage systems where the key names themselves come from your program's calculations and data. Entity communication patterns accesses the communication patterns dictionary within our entity. Communication result timestamp uses the timestamp value as the dictionary key. This might be 2024-01-15 space 14:23:07 equals communication result stores the entire communication result under that timestamp key. So instead of using hard-coded keys like attempt 1 or communication A, we're using the actual timestamp as the key, creating entries like Python entity communication patterns a timestamp assigned to communication result entity communication patterns timestamp assigned to communication result. This is timestamp-based data organization where each communication attempt gets stored under its unique timestamp key, creating a chronological record where entries of timestamps organize the communication history. The power of variable keys is flexible data structures. Instead of predetermined organization schemes, your dictionary structure emerges from your data. Timestamps become natural organizational keys that enable chronological lookup and analyses. So these data-driven dictionary structures enable where the organizational system comes from your program's data rather than being hard-coded, creating that flexible storage system that adapts to your data patterns automatically.